Hey YouTubers, this is my first video doing an unboxing of Mr45Bullitt and UniqueKnots. I call this my Freddy Krueger knife. I got the bore sight. I won that about 2 or 3 weeks ago. Just now got the video camera. Thanks, Bullet. I appreciate it. And then UniqueKnots. Jennifer. Had her make some bracelets for a friend of mine's daughters. Mom passed away from breast cancer. She did an excellent job. Thank you very much. Did a fine job. Also had her make me a rifle sling. Fine job. Thank you very much, and hope you liked the video. It's the first one. Hopefully I'll get some more out. Thank you very much.